Identifying market segments and targets.
Identifying market segments and targets is a crucial process for any business aiming to maximize its marketing effectiveness. It involves dividing a broad market into smaller, more defined segments and then selecting the most promising ones to target.
1. Market segmentation.
Definition: market segmentation is the process of dividing a broad consumer or business market into subgroups of consumers based on some type of shared characteristics. Purpose: to identify groups of customers with similar needs and wants. To tailor marketing strategies to specific customer groups. To increase the effectiveness of marketing efforts. Segmentation variables: geographic, location, country, region, city, climate. Demographic: age, gender, income, occupation, education, family size. Psychographic: lifestyle, values, personality, interests. Behavioral: purchase behavior, usage rate, brand loyalty, benefits sought.
2. Target marketing.
Definition: target marketing involves evaluating the attractiveness of each market segment and selecting one or more segments to enter. Purpose: to focus marketing efforts on the most profitable customer groups. To optimize marketing resources. To increase customer satisfaction.
Targeting strategies.
Undifferentiated mass marketing, targeting the entire market with a single marketing mix. Differentiated segmented marketing, targeting multiple market segments with different marketing mixes. Concentrated niche marketing, targeting a single market segment. Micro-marketing: individual marketing, tailoring products and marketing programs to the needs of specific individuals and local customer segments. Factors to consider when selecting target segments. Segment size and growth: is the segment large enough and growing? Segment attractiveness: is the segment profitable? Company objectives and resources: does the company have the resources to serve the segment?
The relationship.
Market segmentation provides the foundation for target marketing. By dividing the market into distinct segments, businesses can identify the most attractive opportunities. Target marketing then involves selecting the specific segments that the company will focus on and developing tailored marketing strategies. In essence, market segmentation is about identifying who your potential customers are, and target marketing is about deciding which of those groups you will pursue.